Welcome to Self-Growth Stories, where every story inspires you to learn, grow, and believe in yourself. For a long time, I thought chaos meant passion. Noise meant importance. And exhaustion meant I was doing something right. But in 2026, I realized something had to change. I was always busy, always available, always reacting. My mind was loud. My heart was tired. I was surviving, not living. So I started choosing peace. Not the kind that runs away, but the kind that stands still. I stopped responding to everything. I stopped chasing urgency that wasn't mine. I stopped letting other people's storms become my weather. Peace didn't arrive loudly. It arrived quietly. The moment I stopped forcing things. Choosing peace meant letting go. Of arguments that went nowhere. Of habits that drained me. Of environments that felt familiar but heavy. I learned that not every reaction deserves my energy. Peace changed my relationships. It changed how I spoke, how I listened, how I rested. I didn't lose my fire. I just stopped burning myself to keep others warm. So if life feels loud right now, remember this: you're allowed to slow down. You're allowed to choose calm. You're allowed to protect your peace. And maybe 2026 isn't the year you did more, but the year you finally felt at home within yourself.